So, in the absence of creating an estate plan, every state in the United States has default rules that will apply to what happens to your things and your kids and your estate if you were to pass away. These are called the laws of intestacy or an intestate succession. And it's essentially whenever somebody passes away without a will or an estate plan in place. And so, in most states, we favor kinship, right? Next of kin, heirship, natural heirs that are part of your family. And we favor them in many ways that usually our kids or our spouse or our grandkids, depending on what your family tree looks like, will be entitled to inherit a share of your estate, the actual property that you pass. But they'll also have the opportunity to have the priority to apply for administrator roles, meaning the ability to administer the estate and settle affairs and make those distributions of assets to beneficiaries. When we have minor kids and we pass away while they're still minors, then the court also has to get involved to appoint a guardian for their affairs to make sure that they're raised appropriately from whatever age they are until age 18. We also follow this next of kin degrees of relationship model to prefer relatives. Could be aunts or uncles, grandparents, or the like, or even adult children, their siblings, to be appointed guardian in the absence of parents themselves. Generally, that process is up to the court. The court will assess the facts as to who is in the best interest of the kids in terms of how they would be raised or the ability to raise them, where they'd be raised, and those sorts of things. Generally, the opportunity in planning is to take control of that entire reality. It's the ability to choose who would raise kids, choose who the beneficiaries are, how they receive a benefit, and who ultimately will settle your affairs, whether that's through the estate administration process or probate or through trust administration. All of these defaults exist because of a lack of planning. So the opportunity is to undo the defaults and create a plan for yourself.